Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a green set of nails with a little bit of glitter and some fancy stuff. So first thing I did was attach my nails, did my regular prep work, meaning clean the cuticle area, prep the nails, and now I'm priming. Don't forget to do your primer because this will cause your nails to lift. You want to make sure that your primer dries completely before you start your application. I like to put a layer of clear on my nails to smooth out the surface, to have a nice smooth surface to work from, or in case my client has a design change, I will have this layer to fall back to. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm putting a clear layer on, and this will help keep your nails from getting stained and anything like that. So it's always a good idea to put a little bit of clear, just to secure your nails before you start your set. Okay, all right.
We should never let go, so tell me who you love, baby.
Okay guys, so this green I'm going to be using today is from my green colors that I made. This is one of my creations. I'm not even sure what I called it. I will leave the name for it in the description below. If you want a sample of this, you can DM me on my Instagram. You have to follow and like my pictures and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely send you out a sample of this because it's a really beautiful color. The day was kind of cold, so it was a little bit runny, so it was a little bit more difficult to deal with on a cold day, but on a regular day it would be a fabulous color to have in your collection. It is just amazingly beautiful. You can't do worse than green. It's the best thing you can do. Anyways, as you can see, I'm adding a ton of beads because it was a little bit chilly that day, and the beads just was like, even when I drained my beads, they were still kind of runny, so I was having a little bit of difficulty, and I was kind of nervous and stuff because it was doing this, and she had a time limit, and it was just a nerve-wracking time, but we got a cute little set out of it anyways. So I'm glad that she enjoyed her day because she had a beautiful date set up and everything, and these were for a photo shoot, so I wanted to make sure that they were really neat and really on point because I didn't want to mess up. So, but for her next set, I'm definitely gonna go harder. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this glitter mix that I made. It's called Green Tits. It's so pretty. It looks beautiful. It looks like underwater. Yes, it's called Green Tits. I said tits. Yes. I'm going to be doing an ombre. This nail is in a stiletto shape. I started the stiletto shape for her and she really loves it. So she wanted to stick to her stiletto in the middle finger. So that's what we did. We stick to her theme because, everybody has a thing that you do for them and they fall completely in love with it. And she fell in love with the stiletto middle finger. Anyways, I'm using the same green to do an ombre. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this beautiful creation in clear. And that's about the most I'm doing on these nails. It's really a simple set. It's just, basically just green. And that is the most I'm going to be doing on this set today. So that's about all the design I'm going to be doing, guys.
Yep, that's it. The end of the design portion of the evening. Okay, let's move on to just the regular set scheduled nails.
Anyways, but yeah, this green I'm going to be using is also one of my creations. It's kind of like a green with a little bit of dark splotches in it, so it looks kind of like a marble without you actually doing the marble. It's not showing up how beautiful it actually is. It's just really gorgeous. But yeah, it's, as you can see, this one wasn't, it was warming up a little. The heat was kicking in, so it was warming up a little bit, so it wasn't as difficult to deal with as the first color. So it was, you know, looking up. It was looking up, guys. Yeah, looking up. Anyways, let me stop before I go too far and let you guys just, you know, watch and enjoy the rest of the video. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell as well, because then you will be notified every time I upload a video. And it's not that often. I'm not going to be a problem. Really, I'm not. I'm only uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes on Saturdays I will do an unboxing video. But it's not every Saturday because I don't have time. Just because I don't have the time. I really would love to upload every day, you know, but I'm not that good on time. No. But anyways, I'm gonna make sure that I have my videos up every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 a.m. so you guys can have an opportunity to see it from 6 in the morning till 12 o'clock at night till forever, because it's YouTube. It stays there forever unless I decide to delete it, which I'm not going to. So anyways, I'm using the first green on the thumb. I don't remember what I call this green, guys. I really got to go through my combination of colors, or you guys can go ahead and just tell me what I call it down in the description. Down in the description here, you know, down in the comment section below. Go ahead and tell me what you would like for me to call this green beautiful popping color right here. So, and the other one as well, so I can have names for these. The only color I named was the one that was called, yeah, the glitter. Yeah. Anyway, as you can see, it's, as I said before, it's relatively simple. So okay, that's all it is. Yes. Anyways, go ahead and follow me on all my social medias as well. And if you would like to donate to this channel so I can get to nail school this year, which is like, oh my God, I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm still holding on to hope. Go ahead and use that link. It's PayPal me. You know, you can, you know, send the girl some coins. Anything over $1 is really warranted. It's really needed. I would really appreciate it. So, and also if you don't want to donate to the channel, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram on my jewelry page, and you can purchase a few things. Those proceeds go towards me getting to nail school as well. So that is all I'm going to be saying for this video. I hope you really like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today for me. I am out of here. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to be fly like Regina Nails be fly, cosmic gone. Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly, my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a man, don't you? You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just wanna be loved, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wings, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the bus, this bus, but my love still doesn't know way. Don't lie to me about your dreams, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, it isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your dreams, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for